Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and here is your daily Turbo Bitcoin update. Here is the 1 hour chart. Every candle is 1 hour, and very important is now. Look at this, 0.786, this is the golden pocket, and this is this yellow line, and you can see the price is about 51,600, and this is for the moment our biggest resistance we have to watch. You can see we saw a completely spike through this golden pocket line. We saw a retest of this and again a leg to the downside. For the moment, we are going sideways a little bit and we have to watch this. At the bigger picture on the 1 hour chart, let me show you this one. We are in a bad downtrend. This is a red bearish downtrend and this is not so good. Also, you can see, guys, we are under the middle line. The middle line is acting as resistance and we are for the moment under this middle line. So under the middle line, under the golden pocket Fibonacci line, under 51,500. If we will see a mooning Bitcoin, a pump, a good pump, we need volume and we need a big spike with volume and a confirmed candle over this middle line and also over the Fibonacci line. As long as we're under these lines, we are in trouble here with Bitcoin. So the next thing we can check is the EMA ribbon, and you can see the ribbon band is a red bearish one. It's a big resistance for the moment coming from the upside. Here with the short position was a perfect short position from 58,000, and now this ribbon band is coming to the downside. And as long as we are under this ribbon band, if you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see as long as we are under this ribbon band, it's a big resistance. We saw here a nice try to the upside, not a confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band, and again a downgoing Bitcoin here. So the next thing, guys, we are building, that's the good news, or that are the good news, we are building higher lows. You can see this was a low, this was a higher low, and now we are building a next higher low. As long as we are building higher lows, that's a good sign. The bad news are we are building also lower highs. You can see it here. This was a high, this was also a high, and this was also a high. So we need a breakout to the upside with a higher high. This is very important. And so you can see this was the last high. We need a higher high at 51,600. This is the important thing now for Bitcoin. We can draw very quick a line here. This is our bad resistance to the downside. This one, this is a red resistance line, and as long as we're under this line, this is also very bearish. We need to break through this line. From the downside, we have here a nice support line. This is this green nice support line, and you can see, guys, we are building a triangle, and we need to break out from this triangle to the upside to see a mooning Bitcoin again. Here is the target. If we may break through this triangle to the upside, we have a nice target. Depends always where we will hit it or where we will try to break out. And in my opinion, the nicest target, the technical one, is 59,900, so 60,000. But in my opinion, the better target, if we can break out to the upside, is this one. This is our upper trend line at 58,000. We need to watch this if we can break out to the upside. Also watch this. Here is coming this yellow line. This is the EMA 200. Also a resistance on 53,500. And to the downside, we have some problems. This is a big support. Yes, for sure, 43,000. And the next one is this one. We need to watch this if we're going down here. This is the 0.618 Fibonacci line at 51,000. And guys, if we will break down to the downside with this triangle, I can show you the target for a breakdown this triangle, or for a broken triangle. This target is bad, really bad. This is on 38,000. So we need to watch this also. So this video is 4 minutes. Now, one thing I would like to show you guys, this is my big warning for Bitcoin from the long time frame. You can see here, this is the daily chart. I showed you this video yesterday, the big warning. And guys, we saw a break or a broken trend line. This was a nice support line. And here it broke the support line. And on the daily chart, we saw a confirmed closing candle, and we are now under this nice support line. And we have a really bad target to the downside for this shoulder head shoulder. And if it will work out, and it looks, for the moment, it looks for me it's working out, we have here one thing we have to watch, 40,500. This is this support line. If we will break through this also, we have a really bad target to the downside, 35,000. So guys, keep this in your mind. This is the big time frame. This is the big picture. Every candle is 1 day. And guys, very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This is only my information I can give you here for trading and what I'm using for trading, guys. So 5 minutes are over. This is the Turbo update. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a nice time. Big greetings to my live stream, Big Boss Cromlanch. And guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short from here. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Have a nice time. Yours BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye bye.
System activated.